Welcome back, Cards. My name's Chloe Hale.
And I'm Gwyneth Webster. Today is Friday, December 6th, and you're watching
Vlog Talk.
Chloe.
Yeah?
Do you want a gingerbread cookie?
No. I want the gingerbread cheesecake cookies that Lynden and Kya made.
Welcome back, Cards. My name is Kya.
And I'm Lynden. And today we're making gingerbread cookies.
I thought we were making cheesecake.
Well, I really want gingerbread cookies.
But I really want cheesecake.
Hey, I have an idea.
What, Lynden?
Why don't we make gingerbread cheesecake cookies?
All right, guys, it's the next day.
We're gonna have some of the crew try our cookies.
It's actually pretty good.
They're pretty good. They don't suck.
Really good. Better than I expected.
Not too dry. Good flavor. I like it.
It tastes like a pumpkin roll. It's good. I like it.
Chloe, is there any way I don't have to walk outside in 20-degree weather to get to my classes?
Nope. At least not right now. But eventually, all of our classes will be in the same building. Here's Toby and Julia with the new construction update.
Hi, I'm Julia.
I'm Toby, and today we're here with
Mackenzie.
and we're gonna take a look at the new construction space that you'll see outside of the new building. Okay, so we are in what used to be that driveway where you could go towards Evening Street. Over here is where the loading dock used to be. Evening Street is back this way, and the mods were to my left over here.
So yeah, you'll see right now these are landscaped as Area C and Area D.
Okay.
Area C is what we call with your, like I was saying, the media communications, your student commons space, as well as there'll be some admin as well. And then you have Area D, which is going to be where your art spaces are, theater, your arts, and your band. And so right now you see a lot of CMU, a lot of black. That is actually waterproofing being done, but that is going to be your orchestra pit and your theater area right now. That's being the masonry you see right now. As you continue to see some dirt, this is going to be a new parking lot that you'll have further down, as well as you'll have a new baseball and softball field. But that is a little bit further with obviously better weather.
Right. So back here is the side of the building we can't see yet, which is really interesting. So all those windows are the classrooms that we're in every day.
And once those walls go up, there's actually something called, or going to be called Art Alley. So it'll be a space with pavement, some benches, and some trees, and so that'll be a space too where be a little alcove.
So just quickly, for the people that are watching, so this area that we're looking at right here, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is where like our old auditorium was over here, and like
Correct. I think
our main hallway space right there, right?
Yes.
Okay, very interesting. So that's where we used to walk every day to go to class, and it's just right in front of us right now looking at this new building. It's
Yep,
very
so
cool.
this still right here is probably like I think it was door 16 at the time, because you still got your tree there, but yeah. It's different when you look at the window, but you can see sort of this is their line, but this is going to be your center path, so there'll be a connector that goes from A to C, and you sort of see these circles here. That's going to be your rotunda being based, and so it's going to be, first and second floor, and then your ceiling's actually going to be like a curtain wall or glass, so you can see above, and then there's going to be a large cardinal logo on the first floor.
So that blue right there, that blue wall is where the end of that locker bay sort of ends on the main.
On the second floor, yes. And so that's an it's actually a garage door, is that center one, but obviously right now it's closed off, but yes, you will have.
That'd be like a garage that opens up so it can open and close during the day.
Yeah. So I'm assuming typically you'll have it open, but
right.
yeah,
Got it.
definitely closing that off. And What's
going to be in this space?
So this is all, I sort of have images here.
Right.
Maybe I can show you, but that would be your admin spaces. A lot of your classrooms here, sort of hard to read, but yeah, you've got reception, principal's office here, and so that's that corridor. So that's that door right there. That's going to continue along into that rotunda here.
Okay.
And then so if we face north this way, well, right now we have the lay down, but that would be your student commons into your cafeteria.
The last thing I want to ask you, so we have the B space, the C space, and you said a D space?
Yes.
So a rough timeline right now, like so based on where these things are, when is this space going to be completed? Like,
got you. And so phasing wise, you got area C is our next turnover date, and that is within a little bit after school starts. So that would be probably October. Yeah, I would say that. So like after maybe a couple months into school, you'll get it. This area D, that is in February or spring of 2026.
Okay.
You'll get that space. And then area B is split between the Aux gym and the main gym. So we'll be working on the main gym this summer. And then the Aux gym is in summer 2026.
Got it. Thank you so much for showing us around today. We really appreciate looking at the new space.
Yeah, no problem. I'm glad to have you here.
Back to you guys in the studio.
Do you know what's been going on with sports recently?
No, I don't. For some reason, Flock Talk hasn't covered sports in a while. Thanks a lot, Caleb.
Well, luckily, Caleb is back for a new winter sports recap.
Good morning, Cards. I'm Caleb Davis, back with your winter sports update. Winter is only beginning, but it was Groundhog Day for ice hockey as they started their season with back-to-back games against Bishop Watterson and a tough Dublin Jerome team. But they found redemption over Thanksgiving weekend, beating Medina 5-1 and Anthony Wayne 2-0. Some more positives. Ben Isaacson, Grayson Bailey, and Oscar Zwick have earned their first varsity goal. Way to go! In their season opener, girls basketball defeated Central Crossing 55-33. Liv Stewart's 23-point performance earned her Columbus Dispatch Player of the Week. Congratulations! Over Thanksgiving break, they fell just a basket shy of DeSales, and on Tuesday they played Dublin Jerome, falling short of victory, losing 42-25. Boys basketball is off to a competitive start as they defeated Westland 60-51 in their season opener over break. Julian Johnson received Boys Basketball Offensive Player of the Game with a whopping 31 points, and Harrison Gill received Best Defensive Player with 8 rebounds, 3 steals, and 1 block. Monday marked the first bowling match of the season against Westerville North. The boys fell to the Warriors while the girls team had their first victory with a solid score of 1,247-886. On Wednesday, the girls team bowled a total of 1,052, claiming a victory over Westland. Swimming started up this week in a duel against DeSales. The boys and girls took a combined victory, winning 188-65. On Wednesday, gymnastics began their season in a quad meet against Kilbourne, DeSales, and Liberty. We think. Due to conflicting posts on Instagram and Twitter, no scores were found. Need something to do indoors this weekend? Check out boys and girls swimming as they compete in the Ned Reeb Invitational at Ohio State. Ice hockey has games against Gahanna, Archbishop Ulster, and St. Xavier. And boys basketball plays Olentangy tonight on the home court. Bundle up and head out to show your support. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Sports Report. Keep those games results and highlights coming out on social media, and back to the anchors.
This week we asked you guys what your favorite way to spend the holidays is.
And the top response was a cozy night in. Thanks for participating.
Well, that's all the time we have for this week.
Have a fun and safe weekend, and remember,
It's always a great day to be a Cardinal.